All right, this is a very, very quick tutorial. I will try to make this as brief as possible on how to extract your game files um, for whatever reason it may be. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download a quick BMS. So you can just type in quick BMS, download it from here. It'll download as a zip file, so you'll have to extract it, but that is fine. And the other thing you're going to have to do is I'll link in the TCS Discord. There's a quick BMS file you'll have to download to extract 1.0 games. So once you have quick BMS downloaded, let's say like here, this is your extracted quick BMS stuff, whatever. Open the application. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is it's going to select a BMS script. So I'm going to select new ttgames.bms. That is also what you should select. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my TCS files. And now I've already done this, so it's not going to be there for me. But you guys want to select the episode.dat files and the game.dat file. So you're going to find all those .dat files and select them. When you do that, it'll then ask you to, so if I'll show an example, do this, it'll then ask you to select input archives. And for that, you're just going to click save. So it'll actually end up being just here. So I think a better example would be like this. You'll just click save. And when you do that, it'll start running quick BMS on the thing. And I'm not going to do that because there's no reason to do that on a text file. But the one thing I want to mention is that when this happens, you're gonna sit there until you see a prompt come up asking you to either overwrite or to skip or like do a bunch of options with existing files. Make sure you press S and then enter to skip all the existing files. Then when it's done, you can just close the window, head over to your game files and delete the .dat files or move them somewhere else. That's up to you. This works with Steamless. It's completely the same with Steamless. Doesn't really matter. You can do Steamless before or after, but yes, make sure you're using vanilla game files and you're just extracting the .dat files from it. And as an example of what this can do, this standardizes loads a lot. So I don't have an M2 SSD. I don't have like an insane processor or anything. But if I go load up Podrace, you guys will see that my load is like perfect, right? One thing to mention here is that if you do this, you will need to preload most levels. So some levels you can just not preload. That's completely up to you. That's your decision. But what I do with this is I preload every level just to get the instant loads. So that's the explanation on this. I will post the link in the description of this video to, I guess, just a Google Drive folder with the quick BMS script. I'll also put it in the Discord. So yeah.